So we finished part 1.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Since you've last been there, we've zoomed past all of this. And now we're about to start. Well, we had a remainder of 2, for the record. A remainder of 2 pieces.
What do we call these pieces?
The duo.
The oneies?
The oneies. Single tops. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to put them to the side. We're going to put them in this bag. Okay. Just for a moment. What we think about
for shizzies and giggies.
For the giggies and shizzies of life. I'm going to hold that to the side.
So far, I'm most impressed with this feature. That I think is just cool.
Give them the 360. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Laced up kicks. Pumped up. I don't know how long it took. It was under an hour for the first half for sure.
It's going at a good clip.
I think it's about 12 until the mark. Maybe 40 minutes. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it time?
It's time.
So you have to turn the page.
Turn the page. Open now.
Close up to that, yes. Here we go. It says, deliberately. Pour them everywhere. Pour it everywhere.
Oh, there's more hidden ones in the back.
Ooh, look at these. I bet I know where those go. Okay.
So, bag number 2. So those are wheels.
Yes.
We need to get 1, 3, and 2.
1.
No, it's not. Okay, that's 1. Yes.
I kind of feel like it is. I could be wrong.
Could be.
Because there are those in there too.
Where does it even say where it goes? Maybe on.
Yeah, it does. It goes right there.
Okay. Oh.
I like these macaroni pieces too.
Try to keep them separate. Okay. Alright, so the macaronis, yes, the laces. So get your 3. 1, 2, 3. Times 2.
And then. Okay.
So
that goes on one side. You want to do one side and I'll do the other?
Sure. Boom. So we got our
and in the corner.
Peg. Boom. We're gonna go for the hump is going forward.
Indeed.
Hump into the front. Hump into the front. Continue the hump frontward motion. Boom, boom. A little slippy slide.
Nice humping.
It's not even a Wednesday.
3 hump? It's not even a Wednesday. No camels are involved.
No camels are involved in the making of this
skate.
World-class skate.
Okay.
Look at that little sharky fin.
I know, it's very keen.
Oh, sharky. Look at that.
Do I get to do the other side?
I think, hold on.
Oh.
There's the red and there's the red.
Okay, I guess you do one side at a time. Ah, yes, I see. Okay, so you have 4 pinkies and 5 blueies.
You start working yours together while I'm doing this.
Okay, that's fine. 1, 2,
Wrong angle.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry. And then the greens.
And more greens.
1, 2, boom.
2. Oops. 3. Come back. Are you gonna put this on the YouTube setup?
Do you think so?
Yes. You don't keep kidding. People would pay for that.
That's what I was thinking.
And then it'd be interesting if you could do the time lapse and the long video and see which gets more views.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, thank you for that. I support this. That's what I was thinking. This is a new experimentation of what works.
Right?
Coupled
I'm just curious.
Lego building with world-class conversation that is PG.
For the most part.
For the most part.
Okay, my turn.
They'll get the after hours version later. And if you can do that any more forward.
I don't think you can put those things on YouTube. At least not the way we do it.
OnlyFans. Legos.
Okay. Legos OnlyFans. I totally could see that being a thing.
If you like it, put a message in the comments if you pay. $29.95 for the most extreme Legos you're gonna get. I'm gonna cover up right now so you don't know what we're working with.
I know. Really.
And then it all breathe and
Putting the goods out there, just.
Putting the camel before the course rake.
Course rake?
It sounds like it worked. Course rake. Alright, so from there, we're going to need
Well, I'm still doing
I'm just jumping ahead. You got it there. You see the picture.
Overachiever.
Overachiever. Yeah. Achieving raises all boats.
What are you doing, Riley? Get out of there. He's investigating the bag and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He's getting all the stocking in there. Riley,
spinners.
get out of there. Get out of there. Yeah, nose works best of anything.
Yeah, where's that circle circle?
Circle circle? A circle circle? Okay, I need to go intercept.
Alright, well, I'll
So
keep it
while
going.
I'm doing that, you can.
Alright, we're looking for the circle circle. Is it in there? That's it. It's that one thing in here of all the circle pieces.
What?
It can't be it.
Not the macaroni piece?
I mean, it's this whole thing just open up for one little circle circle.
It's not that little one that. You're right.
So I know the square goes there. Makes sense. I get that. Square. Front boot. Boom.
Are you getting into the game?
No, putting the square in the boot.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah,
What else?
see. Boom. It's that, but I don't know where this is at.
The round gray?
Circle circle, see? But I think it's this one here.
Yeah, it is.
But really?
But really, it kind of did that with the last one too. Like
Okay.
all of a sudden we're in another bag, yeah.
Okay.
Like, oh, okay, fine. No warning.
Okay. So, it doesn't say where the circle circle goes.
Not yet.
Oh, maybe over here.
Yep.
Okay, you got it.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Okay.
That was a satisfying
I felt
feeling.
like it looked satisfying. As I looked at it, I'm like, that looks like it has some ennui to it. Little ennui.
Ennui, yes.
Can't forget the ennui.
I remember.
Alright, we need 4 dotties.
4 dotties.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright. And 2 elbows. 2 flat green
2
elbows.
bendies,
2
okay.
bendies, 2 pipes. 2 L bends.
And,
And a slope.
Slopey slope. Ooh.
Oh no.
That's a slopey slope,
Or
is it not?
slope it on the back.
What? Oh, yes.
Slope it
All
down.
right.
Okay.
Inward.
Alright,
Inward.
outward.
Inward.
Alright, you got the elbows. Go ahead, play it.
Oh, flatty flats. Doink. 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 How do you feel about me saying doink?
I'll allow the dunkery.
Yeah?
I'll let
Why
it
did you
dunkery.
do that? They don't go next to each other.
They don't?
Yeah.
What'd I do?
Dude.
You're right. Dude.
Oh.
What'd I do?
Oh. Taste that.
1 second.
Throw it away.
I gotta finish my dude. It tastes almost sinful.
Almost.
Yeah.
It's good
As a
though, yeah.
bite. Yeah, like,
But it's not alcohol.
I know. That's impressive.
Oh, but it feels good on the throat. Like really good on the throat. Okay. Now we need 2 of these jobbies, am I correct?
Oh, where's that at? Let's have a gap over here. We don't have to look like that. Where's that look different?
Who knows? This needs to be up, I think.
Oh, but it looks different. See, that goes there. But then here, oh, these though. These.
Voila.
Schwala. Boom.
Okay. That looks fun.
Click, clack.
Click clack.
You got that.
Then the flatty flat on the side.
Or flatty flat. Little flatty flat, yeah.
This
Boom.
one? Here we go. Ready? Ta-da! Did I do that right?
I think so.
Sweet.
Like it's never been done before. Chicka chicka, yeah. Alright, tubulars.
That's an interesting one. I haven't seen that one yet.
There's one.
You found one. the other one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2 of those. 2 of these jobbies.
Flatties.
2 of these jobbies.
Mm-hmm.
And 1 of those. And 1 of these. Oh, I'm glad they make them different colors.
And 1 of these.
Mm-hmm. Totally missed it.
Mm-hmm.
This is why we make the routine.
Gotta roll them up on this one. You can't have no.
This kind of looks like a spaceship type thing.
I'll allow it. Boom. So to the can. Oh, little binoculars.
Mm-hmm.
Little binoculars. Well, we can see that. Paper.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Alright.
So this goes on one side, and then you do the white one.
You got it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll blend it.
Which one? Which end?
Look inside. Oh yeah, so long side out.
Okay. The smooth end goes into the binocular.
Smooth end.
You just missed out on such a great feeling, though. Hold
Okay.
this part.
Okay.
It's like mini cracks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Except they're not in your body. Yeah, see?
That's like a Nokia clip.
Mm-hmm.
Like a razor phone snap.
A razor phone snap?
Yeah, you can close a razor phone.
Hmm.
It's a thing.
I did not know this. Hey, okay, I get it.
Mm-hmm.
So these go on the long ones.
Mm-hmm.
That's fun. Just stick it in the hole, babe.
It's easier for you than
Oh,
me.
this is PG, I forgot. Why is it easier for me?
Because you have more hands.
Hmm.
My hands
Okay.
are like unhandable.
Unhandable.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do the little one?
Okay. And I have it pointing outward. Doesn't make a difference, really.
That's really good.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a holy contraption.
It is. Oh, and it launches on top of
It
it.
launches on top. Oh, the laces.
The
different
laces.
limbs.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it. Launch it up.
I'm excited. Okay. Wait. Go back, please.
Mm-hmm.
Does that go like this?
Other way. Yes.
Like so.
Thusly.
So cool. Feel.
Mm-hmm.
It spins.
That's pretty neat.
That is really neat. Okay.
All right, boom.
I like that it's all ta-da, as the
Mm-hmm.
what you call it? Oh, a new mechanism.
New Max.
Mm.
Strip. Power strip.
Tiny gray.
Tiny gray.
Square gray.
Square gray. Boom. Plug it in there. Come on, plugger.
Plugger.
Plug her in. First 60
Plug
days.
it in. Plug it in.
7 new ways.
Oh, another one. Do.
Right on line with it.
And do. Interesting.
Boom. Do to the D.
Do.
Alright. There we go. Snap, crackle, pop. Next page.
1 flatty 2
Need flatty 3.
and 1 6er.
It's 2 flatty. Another brick.
Wait, what? It's a brick?
Bricks on bricks. 2 bricks. Build up the
I have
bricks.
reflection on this.
All white bricks. Throw the brick in there. Throw that thing in there.
I don't
You know
know
where
where it goes.
it goes in the.
One of the bricks should be hanging off.
Oh. Okay. Makes sense.
Well, good.
So that's where that goes.
Yes. Okay. Just checking. Okay.
Cool.
Periscope up.
Periscopes. 4 of them.
4 of them.
Yep.
Flies. Pesky flies. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, the other side.
Thanks. I'll wait for you.
No, there's no waiting.
There's no waiting.
There's no waiting in Legos. You gotta let it go.
Just jump right in.
Just Lego.
Lego.
Just
Your Lego.
Lego there, Lego. You gotta get it in. Let's
Ooh, the long ones.
beam me up. Double beamer to the back.
Is it top to top?
To the back. Yeah. No. Side by side.
Side by side like this.
Yeah, pajama style.
Pajama style.
Yeah, banana style.
We need one of those. So then that goes
I think
here.
that's here. Then there's the hospital piece.
The hospital piece.
See the little plus in there?
Hey! Okay.
Hospital piece.
So that goes there.
Okay. Hospital in the front. See it now. Yeah. Layers to it. We're making progress.
Okay.
Hospital in the front.
Dang. Okay. This guy.
Bricks.
4 of those.
2 more brick. All white bricks.
2 of the bricks.
Flatties.
4 of the flatties.
There's 2.
There's 2 more. What else?
And then the Oculus things. The bendies got
2
2
of
here.
these.
Need 4 of these.
1, 2,
And there's 1 more of those. And 1 more of this.
2.
Alright.
And now the hard part. So we take the flatty.
Flat out.
Then we take 2
Brick
of
to
these.
sides, yeah.
And we put a brick in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Like so.
Yep.
Okay.
We're doing good. Cooking with oil. And this looks weird. Okay, so the bendies go under it.
I'm so confused.
Under the sticky yachty party there. So the bendies go under it. So bend this under there.
Like so?
Yes.
Oh, fascinating.
Mm-hmm.
For sure. Like so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So boom. And then we need to do 2 of these. So how we do the first one?
Wait. Okay.
Right.
So then this goes across this way. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So how we do that?
That's very strange. Oh, that actually worked out well. Okay.
Okay, so this 1, 2, and then
Mm-hmm.
boom,
And that guy.
boom. So this is under and under. All right, double bricks, boom, and then we go inside. It doesn't say which way it's fit. Damn it.
I think we go here for 1,
Okay.
and then here.
Everything is facing inside.
Well,
Yeah.
fix it.
I don't know. Let's try it. Yes, inside of it. Hold up.
Here, you're right.
So boom.
You're right. But one of them seems like it hangs off the edge, though, doesn't it? No, maybe I'm wrong.
Okay.
Let me see. No, no.
I don't know what's going
Parts broke off here.
on. Okay.
That's odd.
Yeah, this really fit too well.
Maybe the other side. Maybe we're missing a piece.
Mm-hmm. What was the front part? We have to pull it back a bit, maybe?
Well, you forgot to put. Well, I don't know what's going on. Go back a page.
Okay.
Or maybe I need to look at it not sideways.
Okay.
Okay. That we did. That we did. We didn't put the little gray bobbies on top of these.
It's going vertical, though.
I'm sorry?
Oh, the gray bodies.
Oops. Damn it. Why didn't that go up? And where are the other gray bobbies?
Mm-hmm.
We're missing some?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. 2 of those. 4, 4, 2, 4. Okay.
Okay, so the gray bodies in the front of the back.
The what?
The gray bobbies. These were in
Those go on the bottom.
the front side or the back. There's two of them. Remember?
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the black's here is flushed down. Okay, now let's try that.
It's weird.
Because then we fit now.
That's why I feel like one of them is missing something. Yeah, you are. See?
Oh, look at you, smarty pants.
That's why. Nope. I did something wrong.
Next, it goes in between. That's there. Must be sandwich. That's why. That's weird.
What?
Hold up.
Oh,
It's
something's
sandwiched.
missing?
Yeah, so it can't be double on the box. Be like between.
I'm so
How does that happen?
Let me see again.
It's the right height, but like this has to go up. So this.
I'm so confused.
We need to see how there's a sandwich, but there's like a. Great.
That one has a sandwich across.
Okay, hold. So that was that and that, and it's that and that. So that's right. That's not a double stack. It's single and single, so it shouldn't be two. Unless.
I think we should start over from this point.
Maybe. Hold up. Try this one thing though. Alright, so I put this on that. Now this. And then that there. No. Shit. Where is this one there? Okay. Alright, let's take it back to where you got it.
Alright. Let's do both sides just in case. Now, first this one. Then,
We're doing it twice.
I know, but, so you want to copy me?
Yes.
Okay. Take your base plate. You have it in front of you. Then take your two houses with windows. Why is this on here? Houses with windows?
Okay.
Take that apart.
Engineered so well.
I figured you have some long nails right now, so.
Base plate, houses with windows, check.
Awesome. Then we take this 60 block
Mm-hmm.
and put it in the middle.
Boom.
Okay. So far, so good.
Good so far, good out.
Now, we have our thing, we have our sticky outies, and we have our L's. So now the L's go like this, so that the windows have partner windows now.
But it comes up a little above it though, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Okay, just making sure. Boom. Alright, little shelves, small base shelves.
See, but this is the weird thing. This is all the same level, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now, this one goes on one, but not on the other.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
There's a gray piece here to leave it, make it flat.
Mm-hmm.
So we do that twice. So you need a little tiny gray piece. We're
Okay.
out of the gray piece.
Alright.
Reading. Did we use it in the wrong place elsewhere? I don't think so.
let's go forward without it for now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now this front piece has this, and it goes, that's inside. So this goes like this, right? But that's not flush.
Is it flush?
Oh, I see. But we're missing something.
It's flush on, if you put it a little forward, it's flush.
Oh, you know what we forgot?
Oh. So that goes on top of both of them. That makes sense then. So this goes in the other end.
But which, yeah.
So that's point.
Windows on the outside.
Up.
The windows, these go inside. Yeah.
Okay.
You got it. We're just missing that one piece, so it's gonna have that gap there.
Oh, it's supposed to.
Okay.
That'll work.
It doesn't on the other side, that's why.
Yeah, it'll make it
Okay.
work.
That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Let me look there. Yeah, it does look
Bars.
Schwa.
4
Bar it
bars.
up.
Mm-hmm.
May I? Oh, we're on to pink and red parts. All right, so 2 of these. One of, where's this one? It's a jointy, bendy one. Thank you. And this reminds me of the bottom of a rocket ship.
Okay.
And it kind of looks like that. You know what you're doing?
Plugging them in.
Oh,
Where's it going?
it went spewing under the thing. There it is. It's a wily fella.
Alright, plugging in my lace tips.
They are very laser tippy.
Check. Plug it in the socket. Pop it. Boom.
Socket goes in the.
Front pocket. Oh, this is the bumper stopper.
Hey, that's really neat. That's so cool. I love. Oh, we're at the time where we can join the twins.
Yep. Use the force. Drop it on that.
Are we sure? How close to the end are we putting that?
Flush to the back or close to whatever it's comfortable.
Nope. Oh, look at that. Ta-da. Oh, don't do that.
No, it doesn't slide.
Zoot.
Sit alone.
It's not a bendy one.
You don't bend your brakes.
That would be bad, huh? That would defeat the purpose. Okay.
Okay. So braked on, bricked up, boom.
That's so cool. I love. Okay, what's next?
Okay. Next is...
Oh, the macaroni.
Yes.
How many?
Well,
We're not at the macaroni
you
yet.
need the circle and then the pole. Put that together.
Yeah, baby.
And then a roni and a periscope.
Okay.
And a peg. 2 pegs.
A roni. Where does the... I can't see where the periscope goes. So, like
The roni goes between
and
the
then
nude
like
and the periscope.
so. Correct?
Looks like it.
And then this jobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now a straight nude. Yeah, straight nude.
Here
Here.
or the other side. That was a satisfying feeling too.
You got it. Continue.
I didn't put one in somewhere. Okay, there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And then got the nude.
You do it now.
All right. I know what I'm doing. So nude here,
Straight nude on this side, right?
I guess. No.
Go back.
I think it's on the elbow.
Oh, we skipped a step.
Well, that's on this here. See, that's there. 1. So 2 is, oh, do this twice. So there's the other side of this. Is here or another bend?
Okay.
Oh, the
Before you
elbow.
do that, yeah.
Okay. No. This isn't it.
We got ahead of ourselves again.
I'm confused.
All right. So we did this.
Mm-hmm.
We had motherfucker. Okay. This is just in there now.
Mm.
I got it. Okay. Now we have this piece, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Then we have this piece and elbow piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this piece goes on the long fruity end.
Mm-hmm.
Does it say which way? No, okay. Then we add the macaroni on the other fruity end, right?
Yeah.
So that looks like that.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like this piece, yes?
Boom.
So then we do that to 2 of them.
Mm-hmm.
The macaroni piece
Mm-hmm.
and the periscope piece. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what?
So this looks like that.
But we need to put that on there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that goes in conjoining with the macaroni piece.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we need another one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Another
A tube, and then a periscope.
periscope. Okay,
Boom.
so where's that go?
So that goes here.
You have to make this first.
Okay. So
Not the eye of the periscope, but the periscope part of the periscope. And it's the other end goes into the periscope part of
the
the
flat
periscope.
part goes in here, the noodle,
Okay, yes.
and then
I
this
thought you were
part,
holding the periscope.
periscope goes in that.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now what?
And then this goes. in
Yep,
that.
yep, yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Doesn't look very stable.
Maybe we need to wait. Yeah, why is there
Oh, so periscope, butt inward.
did I do that right?
Yeah, so that's right. The butt is inward. So that's right.
Is
That's
it right
it.
on this side?
Yeah. And we just make the things around. So I guess.
So now we need a red one, and then 2 of these, and another macaroni, or 2 macaronis.
Mix.
Okay, so the red connects the 2 macaronis.
Mm-hmm.
Why are they? Oh, okay. Then these go in here.
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating? He's chewing on something. I need to go in and see.
Mm-hmm.
Hey! There's nothing in there for dogs. Chewing on this.
What? Your mask?
Isn't that weird? I wonder if there's buckwheat in there. Maybe that's why.
I was supposed to.
What happened?
Nothing here. We're going forward, and it's in there. It's working nice. We got it. Making progress.
Okay.
Check. Next, we need 2 blank nudes.
2 blank nudes.
Yeah, and then a little thingy in between, a little gray thing,
Oh, gray thing.
or black,
The black is probably correct. One of those.
and a white tubey pointy.
So these go on there.
A baby white tubey thing.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay. And that goes there, like so. And then this goes there.
Sure. That goes on that.
I'll be damned. Huh?
Boom, that's a bow. Made a bow, baby.
That's dope. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
next. Do we do it again?
Gotta do it again.
Zootavore. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, back to the beginning.
Back to the beginning of the bow race. Yeah, it's the beginning here.
Yep, okay. Shola. Shola. Periscope.
Mm-hmm.
Which way does it butt go?
What?
The butt goes that way. Okay. Then,
Just boom.
so I'm at, no, I need the macrame.
So,
No.
okay, booyah.
And then to these.
And then this goes,
Okay.
and then there's that thingy.
And then that piece. And then I need this one. And this one. And periscope.
Mm,
So,
Periscope, boom, bang, boom.
and then that goes butt out, like so, correct? Or
But
no,
inward. But inward.
inward.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't like inward.
Then pegs
Pegs.
to that. Over that. Don't worry about that right now.
Don't worry about that right now. This goes here.
Yeah, we need
but
the
we
pegs in
need
between.
Peggies. There's one. Wrong way.
It's the gray ones, these.
What?
Those pegs.
That's great.
Oh, tan.
Beige.
Mm-hmm. Spiral side in. Yeah.
Is this correct?
Correct. You know both of them.
Oh, that was a
That's
nice one.
satisfying. I feel you
Yes.
appreciate that.
Okay. And then,
And then.
Shola. Blackie.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not the word I wanted to use. Where's the other?
Nude. Straight nude. Boom.
No. Mm-hmm.
Booyah. Lace tips.
So dope.
Laced tips. Alright, got plug and play.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Oh. Oh, you have to thread the laces. That's funny.
what do you mean thread the lace?
See? Thread the laces.
Trying to
Do you want me to do it first?
check.
Hey, kinda.
That's right.
Is it?
Yeah, got it. Think about it or be about it.
Okay. I think this one.
Washing sleeves, but yeah.
No? Like so?
Yep. And then this will be lace that way. There you go. Boom. Check and mate.
So cool.
Boom.
That's so cool. Show them.
Laces. Boom.
Shoo-doo-doo. That's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Boom. All right. Next part.
The
Rims.
wheels on the skate.
Rims. Good. Let's start rimming it. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Why are you brushing me? Oh no. I didn't like that. Maybe from the other side. Nope, it says to go that way. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Rimming it. This is the job to do.
Okay. So it doesn't seem to go.
Check.
Show me yours. Okay. Who was the first show that? Okay.
Fresh and so clean.
Well done, well done. I like that they're bouncy. I think that lends itself to accuracy.
That's how all my partners roll. Boom. Riding spinners. It's going inside or outside? This side. Okay.
The word side.
Words. I didn't do that. Words
I
on
think
both
you're right.
sides. So boom. Okay. Let's keep her going.
I don't get it.
It's gonna get got. Keep her going. Boom.
Ouch. Oh, interesting.
Mm-hmm. You did it on the other side.
I don't know what side I'm supposed to do on, to be honest.
It was on the other side. The shallow side's facing inward. So.
I see what you're saying.
I like the
This
diamond
way?
outside, yes. Correct.
So that, okay.
Yeah, I think it looks the other way. I agree with you. So this side versus that side. That's what the picture. Shallow.
Hollow on the inside, okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's irritating. But
Because the rims keep spinning.
gotcha. So that's like that.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying. That's what you're trying to tell me. Okay, fine.
Oh,
we
and
need to do the
it
yellow.
rolls, motherfucker.
Did you do your yellow already?
Yellow what?
In the inside.
I didn't see that.
Isn't that it's a nice little touch.
Mm-hmm. All right, shoot the yellow one inside.
Okay.
Oh, what's the yellow one inside?
Hmm.
Makes a little difference.
Right? It's a nice little touch.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here, roll away. It's rolling away.
All right, do the front.
Mm-hmm. Can I do the back?
You back it up.
Back
Beep,
that up.
beep, beep, beep,
Oh,
beep.
that's a satisfying thing to do. Okay. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Hold on, let me get this lace out.
That's
Lace it
good.
out. There we go. Mm-hmm. Laces inside, laces outside.
Send some too.
Oh, we got leftover
I'm
pieces.
doing video. Well, we haven't finished it yet. Roll it away for a second.
Excuse me, it's rolling out.
Whoa, ta-da.
Mm-hmm.
Video on YouTube coming soon.
Boom. So that's there, and then what else? We're almost there.
We're having a good time.
Best time ever. Cloudy powders.
Mm.
Cloud up the side.
All right.
Boom. Cloud her up.
Where does the cloud go? Down on the bottom?
Mm-hmm. Let the cloud hang.
What?
Oh yeah, the rainbow. We have to do the rainbow too.
I'm so.
So there's two clouds. There's these. So this is the outer rainbow.
Where does the
Red
cloud
and
go?
oh, it's so awesome. There's nothing to click it onto.
Just that one thing. Right
So I was
there.
wondering,
But
yeah.
then it covers the.
Well, maybe if you want to change it for remix it. Out loud. Out
It
loud.
kind of touches the wheels though.
It does. Let's raise it up a little bit. Raise the cloud. You know what I'm saying?
Raise the cloud.
Raise the cloud. I meant make cloud.
On the box, they didn't put the cloud. On the side, anyway.
Mm-hmm. So we got the clouds and the.
Yeah, I didn't put the cloud on. Okay, what are we doing?
So we have optional rainbows, or we can do the towels. You know what I'm saying? So we have the option, and that's it. So we can mix and match it. Sometimes we can, like, you want to towel it up or have the rainbows.
I see.
So we have the options.
That's so dope.
That's we have leftover pieces and a
And
remainder,
if, just in case.
and a few remainders of the good old goodies.
What if we do
Bag 'em.
this?
Let them hang over like little flames.
Flames, yes.
Rainbow goblin flames.
Rainbow goblin
That's pretty
flames.
dope.
Come on. It's not really working, but.
Yeah, do some tilting.
How would you do it?
Right there.
Nope. I guess that's it then, huh? That's just weird looking.
That's character. I like it.
It works.
So it's red. Pick it up. Okay.
It is a struggle.
It is a struggle.
And that cloud isn't very helpful.
Not very helpful cloud. Shimon.
Lee.
And then what was the last color? Yellow. I don't even have a yellow.
Sacrilege.
It's even
The
fit the
shoelaces
same.
are the most fun. How they glue up like that. So cool.
And then like green maybe. This might not work
You're
out.
getting carried away here.
Oh, it worked. Can the blue work?
That is the question.
It might not be the day. It may be rude.
It might be inappropriate.
Because it would be rude. You know, people brew the day. Brew the day. I try to combine those together. Alright, we're just gonna do a cloud. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Sorry.
If you don't get rainbows, then I don't get rainbows.
And then boom. There we go.
Wow.
Riding spinners up
So
top.
dope. That's very neat. That was fun.
See the things right there though.
Yeah, it looks kind of cheesy. But
I like it. It kind of gives a bouquet art texture.
well, that was fun.
Get the back shot, but tuck your finger in, you know what I'm saying? Shoehorn. Look at that cloud. Clouds on tilt. You can, oh shit. Pop off clouds, you know what I'm saying?
Well, clouds are inconsistent.
Clouds are consistent. They change with the weather. Set the cloud. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put this down.
Wow, you just broke it?
No, not at all. We're just gonna let that. Where's the super glue?
No, because we're going to take it apart and do the other
So
one.
once again, this is one of like 3 designs.
2 others. Stay tuned for next
Stay
time.
tuned for next time. What will be next? Show them the picture.
Oh, I think it should be a surprise.
It is a surprise because you
there are
already
2
saw
other
part
options.
1. There's 2 other options, 3 and 1.
No.
Boom. And we're cutting. Lego Volume 1 of 3. Peace.